Okay, good. Okay. Cookie-Monster-Doodle. Hey, put it out.
I'm a little princess.
Hi, princess.
Hi.
Don't touch that. Okay, you are Cookie-Monster-Doodle as well.
No,
Hi.
I'm a princess.
Just pretend. Hi, Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
Hi.
Can you tell me which one is Furby? Okay, wait a minute. Let's start from right here. Let's start from right here. Okay, tell me, is this Furby?
No.
What is this?
It's a panda.
Panda?
Yeah.
And is that a squishy panda or what?
It's a
Squishy.
squishy.
You squish it, let me see. How you squish it?
You squish it like two hands, they do this.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
It is squished.
Okay, put it back. What is this?
It's
Let me see here. What is this? Is this a Furby?
no.
What is this?
It's a doodle.
What's that? Tell me, what's her name?
She's name is a little more puppy page.
Okay, put it back. Okay. Tell me, what is this?
It's a Furby.
Is that a Furby?
Yeah,
Is a toy Furby or a real Furby?
a real Furby.
Is a real Furby?
Yup.
What is this?
It's a angry bird squishy.
Angry Bird squishy?
Yep.
How you squish it? Show me here. No, I can't see it. Show me here. Wow, it's really squishy. Okay. What is this?
It's a white Furby.
What Furby?
A Furby. A white.
A white Furby?
Yes.
Is that a real Furby or just a pretend Furby?
It's a pretend one.
It doesn't say anything. This Furby doesn't
No.
speak.
Yeah. That makes sounds.
Wow, it's impressive. It's really good.
And this one makes
Uh-huh.
sounds too.
How?
You just do this.
Uh-oh, just not working?
No, because you just do this.
Oh, it's alright. I didn't hear anything though.
But this one makes
Let me hear
sounds.
anything. Let me hear anything. Listen.
It's just my mom.
Listen. I didn't hear it. Okay, I really hear it. Listen. Okay, put it back. Let's continue on. Did we get here? No.
Yeah,
What
it's
is this?
It's an angry bird.
Is that the Angry Bird? How
Yep.
to play with it? Oh, it's a squishy too?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, put it back. Perfect. Show me what is the one beside it. Is
It's
this an Angry Bird?
no.
What is this?
It's a purple.
Purple.
Okay.
Is this a Furby?
Yep.
Oh yeah?
Just a bit. So you light up.
Is this one real Furby?
Yep.
Where got this one from?
We got from McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's Furby.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's continue on. Let's see, let's find the Furby. Where is the real Furby?
It's not a Furby. It's a new one.
What is this?
It's a new angry bird.
New Angry Bird? Oh my gosh, this is a scary Angry Bird.
It's not.
It's not?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the next Cookie-Monster-Doodle?
It's a Furby.
Woo! What happened about this Furby?
She's almost asleep.
Uh-oh.
Since we have to wait for she wake up.
Okay.
Let's have a lay down.
Uh-oh.
Now she picked up.
Is this a real Furby?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
This is my rubber ducky.
That's good. So,
Quack,
is
quack.
this a Furby?
Nope, it's a quackus.
Uh-oh.
Quack, 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 quack.
Good job. Can put it back. Good job.
The last
Uh-oh, this is a real Furby. I remember that. Is this a Furby?
Nope, it's a bee.
Oh, it's a baby. Can this baby speaking?
Yep, she
Can
has
this
died.
Furby? Can this baby talk?
Yep,
Let
No,
her
no.
talk.
she does.
She doesn't.
No, she just plays.
Okay. Let her sit there. Let her sit there.
I don't have to sit.
Okay.
I,
Oh, is this big Furby?
nope, it's an owl for ocean.
Uh-oh, what's her name?
She's name is a new ocean owl.
New Ocean Owl. Perfect. Cookie-Monster-Doodle. Did you find the Furby today?
Yep.
Show me again which one is the real Furby.
Ta-da!
Here we go. Say thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Thanks for subscribe.
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 Say bye, Furby.
Bye, Furby.
Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
Cookie-Monster-Doodles.
Yes, you say, I'm Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
I'm Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
Look at here. I'm Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
I'm Cookie-Monster-Doodle.
Good
Thanks for
job.
watching.